Hello, welcome to our channel for creating digital content with artificial intelligence. Today, we will show you a new tool that you can use.
Sign up trial of Movio AI Avatar Video Generator, Custom Avatar by AI. If you want to create a talking avatar with Movio AI Avatar Video Generator, you just need to prepare your photo or image. Step 1. Go to the avatar menu and click Upload Talking Photo to upload your photo. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you will be able to see your uploaded photo in the Talking Photo section. Step 2. Click on the photo and then click on Create Avatar Template. You will then be able to select your preferred display mode, such as original, square, or circle. Step 3. Choose a voice for your avatar from the voice selection menu. Step 4. To ensure the best video quality for your avatar, be sure to enable the super resolution option. Once you have set everything up, click Save as Template to save your changes. Step 5. Click the plus button on your avatar to select the orientation of your video. Choose your preference. Step 6. If you want to add a background photo or video, you can upload it from your computer using the Assets menu or use stock images and videos available in the Items menu. Select your photo or video and then right-click and choose Set as Background to apply the selected media as the video background. Step 7. Now, add your script in the text script section. Play your voice script to make sure the result is correct. To preview your final settings, click the Preview button. Step 8. Once everything is set up, click the Submit button to begin rendering your avatar video. Wait for the process to complete. Here is the video output of this AI Avatar Video Generator tutorial. AI-generated avatar. Now, let's use the AI Avatar Generator to create a random and unique talking avatar. Step 1. Go to the Avatar menu and select Generate Talking Photo. Step 2. Set your preferences, such as avatar pose, gender and style. You can use presets for the avatar appearance or write your own custom message. Do the same with the avatar outfit. Step 3. Once you have configured everything, click the Generate button to start generating your random AI avatar. Wait for the generation process to complete. Movio will provide you with 4 options. You can use all of them, or if you are not satisfied with the result, change the settings to try to generate a better avatar. When you find the avatar you want, click Save to save your avatar. Step 4. Now you can use your AI-generated avatar in your video. Here is the result of this AI Avatar Generator tutorial.
Thank you for visiting our artificial intelligence content channel. Give it a like if you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date with these fantastic tools.